When reaching the appropriate weight for meat, when about 8 to 12 months old, depending on growth rate and rearing conditions. Once the fresh meat is finished, the worker quickly grinds it, adding a mixture of spices such as sea salt, black pepper, garlic, grape sugar, and paprika, along with a little wine and probiotics to stimulate the fermentation process. All are mixed together to create a smooth, fragrant salami filling, the foundation for this dish's unmistakable flavor. Wild boar farming areas are often divided into two main models, caged and free range. With the cage model, farmers build a covered, high, airy area to help control diseases and easily manage food. The grilled wild boar dish is the most special way of cooking, preserving the wild flavor. After cleaning, the pork is grilled directly on hot coals, without elaborate marinating. The crispy skin and sweet and fragrant meat, dipped in green chili salt or honey sauce, create an unforgettable rich flavor. When reaching a weight of 30 to 50 kilograms, wild boar meat is firm, low in fat, and retains its characteristic flavor. In contrast, the free-range model takes advantage of the large natural space, allowing pigs to freely forage and move, helping the meat to be firmer and more flavorful. Initially, the piglets will be raised in the same pen with the mother pig in the early stages to suckle and receive natural care. During this time, the pen needs to be warm, clean, and have enough space for the piglets to move around, avoiding crowding each other. This stage can last anywhere from 6 months to over 2 years, depending on the type of final product. When they are young, piglets are given QR-coded earrings for easy management and to avoid losing them when released into the garden. This helps farmers effectively track the origin, health, and development of each pig. Once the meat has been ground and mixed with spices, the mixture is stuffed into a casing, usually a natural pork intestine or collagen casing. Piglets are raised separately from adult pigs due to their different diets and lifestyles. When they are about 2 to 3 weeks old, they begin to eat solid foods with specialized bran rich in protein, minerals, and vitamins to support the digestive system. In addition, farmers can add corn flour, rice bran, and chopped green vegetables to help piglets get used to roughage. Adult pigs from 4 to 5 months old and up will be fed a diet of pureed green vegetables mixed with bran powder to ensure nutrition and aid digestion. Before catching pigs, farmers often herd them into smaller areas in pens or paddocks for easier control. After birth, piglets are cared for in a clean, warm, and nutritious environment. They are fully breastfed, helping to increase resistance and develop healthily from the very first days. Feed for growing pigs is adjusted to increase muscle mass, the key factor in creating beautiful marbling and salami. The ration includes corn, soybeans, rice bran, bean dregs, bone meal, minerals, vitamins, and clean water.